guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to bring you the brand new ADV350 from Honda, and it's already in my channel. As always, the news you can see here. Good motorcycle. Like first things you look at it, it looks like the big brother, the ADV350, but it's more nimble. And then we do have other similarities with the Forza 350, which you don't see, which are the frames and the engine, which is exactly the same, but it's a little bit more improved because this one is designed for go off-road, where you have the mixed tires. The suspension, now we have a show suspension, upside down suspension with a longer course, and with that we do have a bigger ground clearance on the motorcycle. That's why you can go off-road with this beautiful scooter. Other things that are important: in my country you will have this scooter available in 3 colors. Regarding the front of the motorcycle, we do have the windscreen, which is adjusted manually with a course of 133 millimeters, handguards, all the lights are LED. The suspension, it's an upside down suspension from Showa with 37 millimeters diameter and a course of 125 millimeters, one disc 256 millimeters, ABS 2 channels, and we do have these aluminium cast rims, 15 inches on the front, with the tires which are tubeless, the Metzeler 120/70. Looking at the back of the motorcycle, we do have a nice seat. It is comfortable enough for the kind of motorcycle it is. Underneath, 48-liter storage capacity, where you can store 2 helmets. They say 2 full-face helmets, but it depends on the size of your head. The handles for the pillion, they are really nice quality, they are really well designed. All the lights in the back, like in the front, everything it's LED. Then we do have 2 shock absorbers attached to the aluminium swing arm. They are from Showa, and it's a course of 130 millimeters. Traction control, which we can disconnect, and we have 2 modes. One disc 240 millimeters, the same ABS 2 channels, the same rims as in the front, but in this case 14 inches, and the tires again the tubeless Metzeler 140/70. Regarding the engine, we are talking about exactly the same engine as in the Forza, like I said before. It's a 1-cylinder liquid cool 4-stroke. It has the same ESP Plus power, which is enhanced smart power, 330 cc's, 30 horsepower at 7,500, 31.5 Newton at 5,250. The transmission on this motorcycle, it's a CVT, as in any scooter, and of course it is now compliant with Euro 5. And a few other details about the ADV350. Basically, it's keyless, like I said. We do have the keys here. We just have to put it in the pocket. We have a glove compartment on the side, which has a USB Type-C plug where you can charge your things. The good thing is that it closes automatically when you lock the motorcycle, so you can leave your stuff there and you will be safe. It's also equipped with emergency stop signal, which basically means when you do hard brake, the blinkers will automatically engage, so it lets everyone know that you're doing an emergency brake. And you do have the app where you can connect to the motorcycle and your phone, where you can use voice commands to control your phone, like receive calls, deny calls, play music and all that other stuff. Regarding seat height, 795 millimeters, so it is accessible to everyone to reach the floor. The only problem here, it's this central column. It doesn't make it very easy to go on top and out of the motorcycle, but besides that, I can reach the floor. Don't forget I have the central stand on at the moment. No problems reaching the floor. Between my legs, 11.7 liters tank. They say it will spend around 3.5, but on the dashboard it's saying 5. So I'm going to do the 5, 10, around 300 and something kilometers range with this scooter, if you do a well-balanced ride. And then talking about well-balanced, 185 kilograms, super light, super maneuverable in the middle of the traffic, and also it's a weight that you can manage while you are off-road. And having said this, we're gonna see how she behaves on the road. And here we are on board of the ADV350, and we're gonna start with this kind of roads, so you can see the suspensions. You will not see, but I'll see it, and I'm gonna tell you they do their work really nice. Okay, these show suspensions are good. they absorb everything on the road. On tarmac, it's like riding on the clouds. Off-road, I will not try this one off-road. Even with this higher ground clearance, I will not have this motorcycle too much time, only a couple of hours, so I do not have time to go test it a little bit off-road. When I say test it, it was going to be my small commutes off-road, which I'm not an expert, but I will not be able to do it. Having said this windscreen, it is there, but again, I'm a tall guy and I do feel that it should be a little bit taller. It protects enough. The good thing, it is adjustable, manually adjustable, which sucks, but you do have to park or stop the motorcycle to adjust the windscreen, something just like this. Park it here, because you're gonna need the two hands to pull these levers off and push it down, pull these levers on, push it up and twist so it doesn't move position. And basically that's it. I'm gonna leave it in the higher position. Here on the handlebar, none of the levers have adjustments. We do have these protections for the hands, which they do their job nice. Then all these buttons here, high beams, low beams, blah blah blah, function button, button to navigate up and down, left and right, traction control, where you can disconnect and you have two modes of traction control, horn, blinkers left and right, and here you have the hazard lights. Again, like I said, this motorcycle has the emergency stop signal on it. This side, kill switch and the starter of the motorcycle. Center console, right here, we do have, like I said, keyless, so the keys are in my pocket, and you have this button, which simply you press to, it turns blue, then you turn to the right if you want to start the motorcycle. Seat and fuel, you put on that position, this knob, and then press the button for seat or the button for fuel to open the respective caps. And if you want to lock the steering, yes, of course, with the motorcycle stop, twist it all the way to the left and twist this knob all the way again to the left, and the steering will be locked. The steering and the glove compartment here, which I already told you, which is a nice feature and I like it very much. Riding position, we do have the traditional riding position for a scooter, 90 degrees, and you can stretch a little bit for the front, but then I'm a tall guy, my legs are really long, and it's not a very comfortable position for me to ride long periods. And besides that, my big feet, they only the front of the feet stay on this little piece of place where you can place your feet, so it's not comfortable at all for me. Okay, shorter people with shorter legs, it will be, they can stretch the legs and they will ride comfortably on the motorcycle, no problems. Tall guys, just 90 degrees, and that's it. Then I was talking about comfort, we can talk about the seat. It's comfortable enough for this kind of motorcycle, let's call it this. Some guys will call it motorcycle, others will call it scooter. It is comfortable, I do not complain, I like it. It has a little support for your back. It's little, but it's there, and if you want you can go lean a little bit back, just relax a little bit like this, like I am now, just relaxing, enjoying this little support. Otherwise you go all the way, move forward and just ride normally in a really aggressive position like I am now. I like riding like this, my legs bending a little bit for the back. It gives me more a sportive look. That's the only thing that it gives me. It doesn't make the motorcycle go any faster, it just gives me a more sportive look while I'm riding. And I just go here and enjoy this beautiful engine just like this. And we can turn here, I guess we can turn here, yeah. And then we're gonna try the brakes in 3, 2, 1, stop. Yeah. All this ABS works great, everything is working fine on the motorcycle. As you see, I can reach the floor now. I do not have the central stand. I do have the feet on the floor. There's a bigger bend on my knee, so the seat height it's more than enough for you to reach the floor. And I almost forgot to show you the dashboard, where basically you have here the traction control. You can use this button, like I said, to change the modes or disconnect it. Then we have RPMs, we do have a clock, here is several information I'm going to show you in a while, the speed and the fuel level. This information, we use these buttons here on the sides. So on the top we have battery voltage and temperature. We go down, we have average consumption, elapsed A, elapsed B, and average consumption again, and we press another one down. We do have the total kilometers of motorcycle, the range, the trip A, the trip B, and back to the total kilometers. If we do press this button here, but for that I need to be stopped, which I'm gonna do something around here. I'm gonna stop here a little bit so I can show you this. If I do press this button, we can configure the time, which is 24 hours or 12 hours. Then here is where you set the clock to the right time. Then I don't know with this one is you can change from kilometers to miles. This one from kilometers to liters, or liters to 100 kilometers. Reset, I don't want to reset, and back to the main menu. And now we continue. That's the only thing I wanted to show you, and we're gonna enjoy this beautiful engine because it is really interesting. Okay, 50 kilometers an hour. Let's go slow. I don't want tickets, and since I don't want tickets, we go really slow and enjoy the street as it is, as I am able to do it. I don't know where is the thing. Okay, I'm getting tired of riding slow, honestly. This 30 horsepower, it's an interesting engine, and it's asking me to give it throttle, so that's what I'm gonna do. Give it a little bit of throttle. Look at this bumps on the road. I'm passing on top of all of them, and the comfort, it is there. Okay, we are talking a suspension which belongs to a scooter. Okay, it's not the same thing as a traditional motorcycle. It's a little bit more hard, the suspensions, but it's not as bad as the traditional scooters. Okay, so it is manageable. Let's put it like this. It is manageable, and I'm kind of enjoying it. And being the 350, it's a really nice motorcycle for the city, where she feels more comfortable. Basically, this is their habitat. As you can see, I can go in between the cars. I can do whatever in the city with the 350, which is more easy than to do with the 750. And I do think this motorcycle is a little bit more slimmer than the Forza, the 300. I'm not sure, but it is. It's interesting riding position with this handlebar, my legs, and the platform here where I can stand up if I want. See, I can stand on the motorcycle, which is good. Since it is able to do off-road, it is also good to stand. But when I'm standing up, since I'm a tall guy, I have troubles reaching the handlebar. They are too low for me. Maybe they are adjusted, maybe just a little bit like this, I don't know. I'm not gonna see that because the motorcycle is not mine, but as it is, I kind of like it. It's a very interesting proposal for the Portuguese market. These kids are crazy, and it's in my channel. As always, I try to bring you all the news, and this one, it's the best news from Honda at the moment. Latest one, the ADV350, and go baby, go 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 go. Here we are. Woo! Really nice punch, this engine, super cool, super interesting. And having said this, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But before, don't also forget my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for our motorcycles, where there's a link in the description that gives you the first month free. It only works in Portugal, but it's the best I can do. And also, now don't forget to click the notification bell so you receive my future videos, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!